I'll be outside, I'll be on the way. I'll be on the way, you can.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going apartment shopping, apartment hunting. Why did I say apartment shop? When you like shopping so much, you say apartment shop. Cut. We're going apartment hunting, and we actually just looked at the first one. So we looked at a 2-bedroom, 1-bath, and we also looked at a 2-bedroom, 2-bath. Pros, I don't want to show you guys too much just in case we do get it. I want it to be a little bit of a surprise, but it's kind of like an older building. It was remodeled, so that's, to me, that's a con. Only the first story ones are hardwood floor, I think, right? Is that what they said?
Yeah.
Yeah, and the upstairs ones are all carpeted. We like the layout better of the 2-bedroom, 1-bath, but it's very small. Like, the closet in one of the rooms is so tiny. Like, it'd probably fit, like, some of my shoes and that's it. Like, it wouldn't fit anything. We're just kind of, like, browsing. We're looking at our options. I kind of have an idea of, like, what I already want, so... Like, I was very picky on, like, the apartments I wanted to look at, because there's so many apartments you could look at, and we only liked 2 out of, like, all of them. So, yeah, I have my friend here, but she doesn't want to be on the camera, but here you go.
Hi.
It's super early. I mean, it's 11 now, but I've been up since 8. I had to take my mom to her hair appointment. She doesn't really know how to drive in the area, so I had to, like, meet with her, take her there, then explain to her how to get to work after. And then I went back home, I had to curl my hair, and she was already at my house. And then, yeah, then we came here. So now we're gonna go to the second one. Alright, so we left the second place and the only available like model home they could show us was a townhome. The bathroom in the I didn't like the layout of the master room. Bathroom was hella small. Like once you open the door, you would hit like the toilet, like, well, my legs if I'm on the toilet. So I didn't like that. I didn't like the layout of it. I could not fit like a long dresser in that one. It was like a 2-story. The downstairs was super nice. Like that was the selling point, was the downstairs, but the upstairs, like not so much. I liked like the other room more than the master room. That's the only thing. The price difference, it's not too bad. So we're looking at another apartment. This is the third one we're looking at. And yeah, I'm gonna show you guys. So I just got back from the grocery store. I'm going to show you guys what I got for this week. There's this whole thing with the Jennie-O ground turkey, if you guys didn't know, but I usually like Foster Farms anyway, so I got one of these. I always get 93% lean, 7% fat. Don't mind my nails, they're really bad. Some pasta sauce. This is the one I always get, roasted garlic and herb. I got 3 of these because I'm cooking for the entire family. So yeah, and then I got this dressing for salad, creamy poppy seed. This is from my dad. Got some diced onion. I always get the diced one because it's easier. Got some turkey pepperoni for my pizza. I'm gonna make a little pizza today. Then we have zucchini. I got some bell peppers for my dinner. Then I have some spaghetti pasta. I got some fresh mozzarella. This I use for my pizza. Then I got some beef stew, just to have in the cabinet. Some pineapple for my pizza. And then I got this pizza sauce. In this bag I have some baby spinach. I bought this pita bread for my pizza as like the crust. And this is Greek pita bread. I've never tried this brand. It's a Seattle brand and it lasts longer than the other one, so I just got it. Got some chips. These are like one of my favorite chips. I just felt like getting chips. Then I got another one of the sauce. And then I decided to try this wine. I heard this was really good, so it's Ménage à Trois. I don't really know anything about wine. I know this is like a dark wine, so we'll see how it tastes. That's everything that I got, and I'm gonna show you guys my little pizza recipe. I think I showed you guys before a while ago, but I'm gonna show you guys again. Take 1 piece of the pita bread. You can do it like this or like this. It doesn't really matter. I usually do it like this. Take a spoon and I just kind of flatten it out. Take your mozzarella cheese, and this one's my favorite one, and you just kind of like rip it apart and throw it on there. Then you want to take your turkey pepperoni and put some just on top. I take my spinach and I just take like a handful and I like to rip it up. I'm gonna put this in the oven, and I don't know how much. I'm gonna estimate the time and let you guys know. And I'm gonna give you guys a little recap of what I thought, and comment below your favorite one. I'm not gonna tell you guys which one is my favorite, but I definitely have a favorite. So the crazy thing is, the one that I liked the best coming into it, this was like my favorite, I was pretty set on this one, is actually my least favorite of the three, which is pretty sad. There's a lot to consider when you're getting a place, especially for me. Like, I'm very picky. I'm very, like, I know what I like and I know what I don't like. So coming into it, I was already picky, you know? Like, I was like, okay, these are the three or the two places that I'm gonna look at, and I just happened to look at a third place today. You know, there's location, there's the look of it, there's, you know, what's practical for you. Like, I obviously need a big closet. Like, I got a lot of stuff. So that's one thing. I need the closet. I don't really like shelving in a closet. That's another thing. I do like more of like a modern place. There's just a lot, and I don't want to say too much because I want it to still be a surprise with what I end up doing. But one of them I liked. I didn't love the place, but I liked the place. There was definitely cons to the place, but what I really liked about it was the location. I love the location of one of the places. There was another place I loved the look of the place. I liked almost everything about the place. I liked. It was a little bit smaller for the price, but I liked the place. The thing I didn't like about it was the location. It was like deep off the exit, and that's the only thing I didn't like about it. One of them is just canceled for me. I just know I'm not gonna live there, so that's kind of where I'm at now. But yeah, I'm gonna be looking at some more places next week, so stay tuned for that. I didn't love any places. I wasn't like, yes, this is for sure, because I'm still iffy about what I'm gonna do in the next month. I'm still kind of like weighing my options out, you know? Like, I'm not really in a rush to get a place. I don't have to get a place. I don't know, we'll just see, but I'm definitely leaving this place. So you guys are only gonna see this place for like another month or so, and then I'm dipping. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you guys like it, subscribe, and comment below. I have to run some errands, so I'm closing out the video early. I vlog like the entire day, but today I have so much stuff to do. So yeah, I love you guys, and thank you for watching. Bye!